Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD, gold US dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my channel for the analysis of other pairs. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hour chart of gold US dollar in front of us right now, and as you can clearly see that, or as we already know, that there is not much volatility in the market right now. Rather, I'll say that gold US dollar chart is flat here, okay, and there is not much movement on the chart. If you have watched my previous video on gold US dollar or yesterday's video, then you can recognize these lines pretty well, because things have not changed much for the gold US dollar. So let's do the analysis first. So the most important level, okay, the most important level in this chart is this level, okay, 1750. 1750 still remains the important level for the market, or the most important support for the market, because in case there is a selling pressure here, or in case market comes down from here, then this is the next level, or this is the best support level available in this chart right now. So I'll request you, my dear friend, to draw these lines in your chart in the trading platform so that you can understand the market better. So 1750 is the support for the market, okay, and right now you can see that there is a huge gap between the current market price, because market is trading here, and this support level, okay. So apart from this level, we have 1790 acting as a support for the market as well. Therefore, this is the second support for the market, and this is the first support for the market. And as you can clearly see on the chart, whenever market is coming down, the price is being rejected from the 1790 level. And in my previous videos also, I have clearly mentioned that whenever you will find, or you'd find market taking support at 1790 level, you can immediately go for buy if you see price being rejected from below. But right now, I do not recommend the same here, because there is a theory in the market that if you see market testing the level too much, then the level loses its strength. And right now you can see that market has tested this level for a long time, okay. This level has been acting as a support for the market for a long time. Therefore, slowly and slowly this level is losing its strength, and you can see that we can also draw a trend line here, because this was the high made by the market, and after hitting the 1790 level, when market went up again, it could not cross the previous high. Rather, it made a lower high here. Again market made a lower high. Again market has made a lower high. Just try to understand my words here, okay. Just try to understand my words here. So market is testing this level for a long time. Whenever market is coming down, it is providing the support to the market, and whenever market is bouncing from this level, it is unable to cross the previous high, which clearly signifies that sellers are there in the market, and they are not allowing the market to cross the previous high. So this clearly signifies the presence of sellers, or influence of sellers in the market right now. And if we observe the chart here, then we can see that this looks like a descending triangle pattern. Okay, this looks like a descending triangle pattern, but generally we find descending triangle patterns in downtrend market. But still, I'll say that as we are getting lower highs here, still there is a possibility that market will break this support level. Because see, if this would have been a weekly support, then we could expect that yes, this is a strong level, okay. But this was not a strong support, okay. But still, this is trying to provide support, but this level does not have any such credibility. Therefore, my dear friend, things have changed right now, so I will not recommend any more buy level at this price, okay. I'll say that you should not go for any order, okay. Do not buy, do not sell here, okay? Don't do anything here. Just avoid gold USD right now. As long as you find market trading here in this range here, do not trade. This is your no trading zone right now, because there is a possibility that market will break this support soon. In case market crosses this level, then that's a different chapter. I'll be covering that part tomorrow. In case market crosses this trend line, okay. But right now, market is trading in this range here, so please avoid the market, and I'll request you not to trade as long as market is trading in this range. Okay. If market crosses this level, I'll tell you what you need to do. But on the other hand, in case market crosses this support level, wait for 4 to 6 hours and just observe the price and just see how the price is doing. If you see that after 4 to 6 hours price is still trading below this level, 1790 level, then you'll get the confirmation that the support has become the resistance. Okay, you'll get the confirmation that the support has become the resistance, 1790 has become the resistance, and then you can short the market. Clear? So the only trading opportunity for you right now is if market crosses this level, then you'll get a good opportunity to short the market. Okay. Apart from that, you do not need to trade in the middle. And as I always say, this is your hard-earned money. You should never risk your hard-earned money on a chart that you do not understand. And my dear friend, just tell me honestly one thing. Okay, if you just look at this particular portion of the chart here, do you think that this chart deserves your hard-earned money? I do not think so that this chart deserves your hard-earned money. Never, never, never. Therefore, wait for the perfect opportunity so that you get the best opportunity, and you can make some profit also. So wait for the market to cross this level for uh, for a time being. If it stays between this range, you do not need to trade. Please avoid trading in this range. Okay. And if you want to keep your eyes on the chart of dollar index as well, then please keep your eyes on the chart of dollar index, because as we all know, if USD goes up, then gold, the price of gold goes down. And as you can clearly see that US dollar is an uptrend, and I have already discussed in my earlier videos as well that US dollar is in uptrend right now. It is bullish. Therefore, gold is in tight range. So yesterday there was a selling pressure in the chart of DXY. Therefore, there was some up off in the chart of gold USD. Otherwise, otherwise it is in a range only. Okay, and right now, if it starts going up again, okay, if the chart of US dollar starts going up again, then the price of gold will fall. Price of gold will fall. Therefore, do not trade, my dear friend. I'm saying again, do not trade in the middle. If it crosses the support, then only trade. Okay, but still wait for 4 to 6 hours so that you get the confirmation. So this is it. Hopefully I've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow.